Hey. Girl said me so handsome, she said she want fuck without condom. I said no, you have to suck off your cock like plum. She said sweeter than 2 a.m. drum. I like how your breast and fluffy and rough. Reaction. What's up YouTube, it's about Terry Vlogs aka The Reaction. Boss! Back in with another video for you guys right now. Right about now people. So I'll get distracted. Right now we have Babyskello, Spanish fvcky official video. You know, I'm just pronouncing, actually looking at the title of this song. It came out yesterday, 15 hours ago at the time of this recording, and I am just looking at the title. I don't know what to expect, but you know it's Babyskello, something to represent right now for y'all, cause he's your favorite artist. So let's get straight to the video right now. I would say shout out to all summer body ladies. Summer is right around the corner. Just like when time is coming. Where is your boyfriend? I don't remember that, but run tune! Girl be aggressive, aggressive. Girl be aggressive. Wait! I want to hear what you say. What you saying? Girl be aggressive. Girl be aggressive. Is he saying, girl, behave up yourself? Is that what? Is that the summer lady? Is that she? No, that's a red woman. Is that she? Is he saying, girl, behave up yourself? Yes. So me stepping at the club. Hey. We get for free. Sure. Any girl we get easy. Sure. We got 1, 2, 3. Okay. Spanish girl say you fvcky. Hey. Fvcky. She have a clean skin body. I call up dance with a sweet sex romance. So me stepping at the club. We get well, I have to go back a little bit because right now that's how you want it. The video bad too. Big cat 1, 2, 3 cat for the night. Spanish girl say you fvcky. You fvcky. She have a clean skin body. I call up dance with a sweet sex romance. So me stepping at the club. Like a lap dance with a sweet sex romance. Oh. You got it for free. Hey. Any girl we get easy. Big cat 1, 2, 3 cat for the night. Spanish girl say you fvcky. You fvcky. Them girl is like African stance. I came for a long distance. I enjoy my abundance. At the end of the day, I get my allowance. He's going crazy. Multi-X. Oh my gosh. Babyskello, you going crazy, bro? She's trying to get away. She's trying to get up. And he's like, okay, go on. Can't balance money cocky. Multi appearance and you're independent. Hey. You have another sense for sex and careless. Yeah. Come stepping at the club. We get for free. Sure. Any girl we get easy. We get 1, 2, 3 cat for the night. Spanish girl say you fvcky. I want to hear what he said. From me stepping at the club, what did he say? What from me stepping at the club, you get what? We get easy. Talk your talk. From me stepping at the club. Yeah. We get for free. Be girl what? Did he say be girl make get for free? I don't know. Why you said this? Any girl we get easy. We get 1, 2, 3 cat for the night. Spanish girl say you fvcky. No. You fvcky. Hey. Girl said me so handsome, she said she want fuck without condom. I said no, you have to suck off your cock like plum. She said sweeter than 2 a.m. drum. I like how your breast and fluffy and round. Water is good for the body, people. Water is good for the body. Water is good for the body.
She booty a clap in a back shot. A bad man, she like fuck shit, no idiot. Me too strong, she like a cat.
What is going on here?
Keep up the resistance. Can't
This man have a Joker smile. This man have the Joker smile. The man smile weird when that's people. Hola. What's that? Bro, got the Joker smile. The man's like a weird around our part, around our place. So I feel so I didn't know existed, yo. Jaguar!
The resistance. Can't change my substance. It's a silence. Be the agent of excellence.
Yeah, Joker.
Tell you my resistance. She got a touch. I can't stop watching you in your eye when I sex. Me stepping at the club. We get for free.
We got for free.
We get easy. We get 1, 2, 3, get for the night. Spanish girl say you fucky, you fucky. Can me fix your pussy, you never vex. Me make a text.
Video nice. Video nice. If I'm lying, I'm that. Video nice. Video nice. What?
And sex, us followed enough time and still a flexing. She says she still a miss me and still a love me high cocky. Me a strong young man, left a foundation. Anytime you lonely, pick up the phone and call me.
Hey.
Me know you're honey.
Yeah.
Me know you're honey and you want me.
Yeah.
Me know you're honey. Me know you're honey and you want me body.
So like the cameraman knows that she really have that good body. They say very show too much. She look good. Go ahead, go cameraman. But people, I listened to Babyskello last song I released. Alright name. I don't remember what song the name I react to. The last song I react to, people. You see me I say I don't remember the name. Tell me the song down below. Jamaica, who they are Jamaica? Who they are Jamaica? Who they are Jamaica? Who they are Jamaica? But anyways, the last song, like damn, I just put my hands. I don't remember what name. But that this sound good, I know this sound good again. I'm telling you now, to me, improvement, hope that for Babyskello. I'm not lying to them. If I'm lying, I'm that. And I want to think about that song again. Despite the fact that I can't understand some of my words about myself, I'm not going to lie to you. But go on. What him said this up here, girl, they get for free? What she do? What she doing?
She have a clean skin body. I call dance with a sweet sex romance. For me stepping at the club, we get for free. Any girl we get easy. We get 1, 2, 3 girls for the night. Spanish girl say you fucky, you fucky. Them girl really like an African stance. I came for a long distance. I enjoy my abundance.
It's lit. We like it. We love it. We like it. What are your thoughts on the video though? You feel me? Music video itself. Music video lit. And that's why Babyskello is really improving, y'all. Like, yo. And he got 2 girls in this one. The last 2 videos he had like 1 chick, right? And he got 2 of them in this one. Despite the fact that they can't really do the Turkish thing. You need some bad ones, man. You know say some bad females over Guyana. We can come in every day, come go and bad for the video. I don't want to see. But until next time, it's been about Terry Vlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. Big up yourself. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Please follow me on Instagram right here, so at Terry Vlogs. I'm trying to reach 10,000 followers on Instagram, so if you're not following me, go over there, go follow me right now. At 10K, I'm gonna start doing some giveaways. I started giving giveaways already, and I started giveaway like, I think it's like 300 US so far. I wasn't doing the math, but we started doing some giveaways, so follow me on Instagram for a chance to win some shit, you see me? So peace out.